Hi everyone, welcome again in the live session. And in today's live session, we are going to make a game that's based on Tom and Jerry game. So this is a very funny game, and we are very attached to Tom and Jerry cartoon, and it's still very famous in the kids. So that's why on special demand, I put the code for Tom and Jerry, and I try to make that. Even I told you last time that how you can create your sprite in the bunny game. So I made both the bunnies by myself and do the coding part. So you can also go and check that video. Like for the Tom and Jerry character, you made the bunny, you can make Tom and Jerry as well. But right now, I'm going to select a cat and a mouse at place of Tom and Jerry. And first of all, I'll show you that how the game actually works, and then we will start making it. So I'm going to share my screen with you all, and let me explain you what all things come in this game. Here, as you can see, I think my screen is visible for all of you. So here I have two characters. One is my cat, one is the mouse. So this is a mouse, and this mouse has to eat the apples. And I have speed, I have time, I have mouse speed, I have points. So I have four variables. Actually, what the game is, how many apples the mouse eat. It means number of points getting by the mouse in the given number of time. So the according to the game, as the game proceeding, the speed is changing by the cat, and it will go faster and faster and faster. Even the mouse speed also change. But let's see how long this game runs, how much points you are getting throughout the game until they both touch each other. So if Tom, by the way, in the cartoon, it never happens that Tom catches a Jerry, but in this, if Tom catches a Jerry, then the game will stop. So without any delay, I'll just start the game. Moving my mouse here, save my mouse from the cat. Oh no, no, no. And I also want to eat the apples. Oh my God. I want to gain the points. So I got only 3 points, and the number of timings I can see it's 44 seconds. Oh, it's bad. It's not actually, it's not 44 seconds actually. I have given the very little seconds here. So it was 0.03 after every loop. So it's all right. We can make it clear. And yeah, I got only 33, only 3 points. Let's start it again. One, two, it's in the center. No. Oh, again, I got 3 in 35. Okay, it's all right. So let's start making this game, and it's really interesting. Let's see how we can make that. I'm going to share my screen, and you can open new picture blocks like I open over here. I will delete the Toby sprite, and as you was initially you saw that there were three sprites, so I will take 3 sprites over here. One is the cat, one is the mouse, and one is the apple sprite. So I can see apple over there. I will go to all again, and I will write M for mouse. If I can find cat instead of mouse. So I took the cat sprite, and for mouse, I will write MO, and this is my mouse sprite. What I'm going to do, I will decrease the size of my mouse and cat. So the mouse size, I will make it as 60. The cat size, I will make it as 70. and the apple size, I will make it as 50. I will take the backdrop as well. So I'm taking hearts this time. Now, what next is? The next part is the cat code part, and what will be the code for the cat? So, what was happening with the cat? Actually, the cat has to catch the mouse and it has to move towards the mouse. First, I will start the position of the cat, then I'll take a forever loop and I will say that my cat will always catch the mouse. So it will point towards the mouse always, and I will set one variable that will be the speed, and the speed I will be giving for the cat to move. That's what we will do. Let's see who all can do with my steps only. So I'm taking when green flag clicked, go to X and Y. I'll give my cat position here because it was very near to the apple sprite. And now I will go to control and take forever. So the cat needs to follow the mouse forever. So it has to point towards the mouse one always, and it will take some number of steps always. So the number of steps depends on the variable that is speed. So I will make one variable that is speed, and I will put the speed over here. Now I need to define the speed as well. Like when green flag click, initially I'm giving the speed to my cat. So what speed I will give? I will give the speed as 2 initially. By 0.02 seconds I will wait, and then I will change the speed by 0.02. That's what we will do. So I will go to variable, I will take set speed to 3 initially, and forever it will wait for 0.02 seconds, and go to variable and change the speed by 0.02 seconds. So this is the code for the cat. Let me zoom out. Okay, like position towards the mouse, change speed according to this speed program as we have given. Let's come to the mouse. What mouse is going to do now? The mouse is actually following the number of steps, right? Like basically the mouse pointer, wherever you are moving your mouse pointer, it will follow that. And the initial position we need to decide. So of course, the first part of the code, we will do this only. When green flag clicked, go to X and Y. So I want my mouse position to be here. And I'll go to control and I will take forever block. Forever, its point towards means it will see towards a mouse pointer always, and it will move 10 steps. Means every time it will take 10 steps to move. Afterwards, I will apply a condition over here. Like if my mouse is touching the cat, everything will stop. And if the mouse is touching the apple sprite, there will be a points that is a variable that is going to increase. So I'm going to make the variable first. The name of the variable is points. I will take the event again. So when green flag clicked, set points to 0. Now I put the condition over here. If touching apple 1, like this is apple sprite, if touching apple, change points by 1. Means the points are going to change. Now, if it is touching cat, so I'm taking the another condition. If it is touching the cat, see, I did zoom in. Cat 2, the name of the cat is cat 2. So if touching cat 2, it will stop all. Okay. So this is the second scenario. Now the next thing that what I want over here is I want to set the mouse speed. So initially the mouse speed will be 6 and over the time it will increase. Okay. So the time I will set as 0 because I also want to give the time and it will wait for some time and then the time is going to increase. So what I will do next is that every time my mouse when touches the apple, so mouse will eat the fruit first and then its speed is going to change. So that's why I will make one variable that is mouse speed. So initially I will make it as 6. So that's why I want to do this code on the mouse page. So I will make one more variable. This is mouse speed. So I will take set mouse speed block over here and this should be 6. Okay. The points initially is 0. Mouse speed is 6 right now. Now what the next part is? The next part is for all the time. The time is going to change after 1 second. Okay, I will make one more variable that is time. And this time is going to change after every 1 second. So, I will make one more variable that is time. Set time to 0. Sorry, this is a speed. Set time to 0. Forever. Change time by 1. And wait for 1 second. So every time the time is going to change while waiting for a second. Now the next part I want is for the apple sprite. What is the next thing that I want for the apple sprite? Actually, the apple sprite has to pick random position for the x and for the y. So for the x going top and bottom, it will be minus 170 to 170. And from left to right, it will be minus 225 to 225. I will tell you, don't be afraid of. And the number of points initially for the mouse, for the apple sprite, will be basically 0. And the points are going to change when it is touching with that. So points we have made already. Now we will directly take the forever loop for the mouse. So I will take when green flag clicked for the apple actually. I will select the forever. The position will be go to x and y. So what I will do, first I'll move to the left. Let me check. It is minus 219. So for the x, you all know with the coordinate, if we are talking about x, it means it is going left and right. So my apple can come any x position, here, anywhere. Okay. So that's why I'm picking the random x position. So here it's minus 219. And if I move it over here, it's 204. This is varies, like this varies according to your screen position. Okay. Now I will take pick random for y. For y, I'm moving it up and down. So I'll move up. This is y, 157. And moving down. Here you can see, this is for the x, this is for the y. So right now I'm checking with the y, okay? So the y is minus 151. Minus 151. So when I click, see, what is happening? The sprite is moving randomly, but it's very fast. Can you see that? Right? So do we need weight over here? Of course. We need the weight block over here, right? So it should also wait, but at one position until it is touching the mouse. Because see, mouse wants to catch the apple, right? So it has to wait till there for the mouse so that mouse can come and eat. That's what we will do. I'll go to control and I will take wait until touching mouse 1, right? So it will wait until it is touching the mouse 1. And what next is? The next, when this happens, it will hide. So initially you will show, then it will hide, and the mouse speed is also getting changed when it is touching. So I'll go to looks. I will take show over here, hide over here, and change mouse speed. What number we can take? We can take 0.02. So, okay, we can take 0.5 because my mouse speed getting slower sometimes. So I'm taking 0.5. It has to increase. Okay, that's fine. So I think the basic thing we have covered over here for the cat, for the mouse, for the apple sprite. Let's see what will happen. So if I'm going to start playing this game, I'll just arrange it. Oh, sorry. I can arrange only on the minimize screen. I'm just arranging it over here. Now let's see. Okay, 1, 2 points, 3, 4, 5. Yay! My mouse is increasing its speed. Oh, I'm so sorry. Actually, oh, okay. It's game over for me, but I took 13 seconds to complete this game. I got 7 points within 30 seconds. Let's see again how much time I will take to get more points. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6. Okay, no. I got 14 seconds and 14 points. 14 seconds and 6 points. Okay, I want to try again. 1. Okay. No. No, only 1 point. See, this game is very much interesting, and even I like it, and I'm playing it a lot. My God. Okay, 2. Actually, I want more than 7 points. I think I cannot make that. Let's see, you all can make more than 7 points, and please do write in the comments how many time you took for making how much points. And even you can give the screenshots, like you can send us the screenshots on our Instagram. We will definitely tag you, and we will appreciate you all for that. And even for our students, like the school students and the students, those are taking online classes with us, they can definitely do the comments, how much time you took. Even you can ask and tell to your teacher. Okay, so this is done. Now, what I want is I want to add some sound in it, like when something happens, then what is happening. So I'll go to the sound section, and here I will go with the loops, and let's see. Drum funky, I'm going to check with dance magic. So with amplifier, I'm going to check. No, drive around. Yes, drive around this time I can pick. And I'll take like when green flag click, then forever. Then I'll go to the sound and we'll pick the play sound until done. And when it touches with the Apple sprite over here, so mouse touching, when touching Apple, then I want pop sound to start pop sound also. And when this happens, stop all. Okay, okay, that's fine. So my game is ready. Let's see if I start. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, my speed got decreased because I can't eat apples. Okay, I want to start again. 1, 2. Okay, again. I will go in one circle only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I got 7 points in 12 seconds. That's really good score. Okay, so let's see what are your scores, and let me revise the things. First, I took the apple sprite, cat, and mouse. So over here, what happens when green flag click? It will go to the position. It will also follow a mouse. The speed changes according to the speed variable. Initially, it is 3, but every time it's going to change by 0.02 seconds. And afterwards, I'll go with the mouse. What happens with the mouse? It take the position. It will always follow the mouse pointer that you are moving onto the screen, the cursor of your mouse. It will move 10 steps. You can increase the number of steps for the mouse as well. It will touching the apple sprite. The sound will come when it is touching and the points are increasing. And when it is touching the cat, everything will stop. And the points, mouse speed, time, everything is given. Points is for points, mouse speed is for increasing the speed and time. And for the apple sprite, I want the apple sprite should come randomly, so that's why I took this. And it will done until it is touching the mouse. The apple sprite will hide and it will change the mouse speed. It means the more apples my mouse can eat, the more energy it will have. So, yes, the Tom and Jerry game is done, and you all can make that. We have the Buddy Fight game that's also interesting. You can check. And if you have any special request of making games, please do comment. We will definitely make the video for you. And every Saturday, we are live at 6, so you can join.